Get ready for an authentic baking experience. Watch my latest baking video and indulge in the rich flavors and aromas. Show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement means a lot and helps me bring you more delicious content. Let's bake together.
In a mixing bowl, take flour, add in salt, sugar and fermented yeast. Whisk to combine until the dough starts to come together. Once the dough comes together, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Divide the dough into equal pieces and shape each piece into a ball. After the dough has been distributed into equal portions, knead in the color until they are well distributed throughout the dough balls. Take one portion of the dough and roll it into a shape. Roll another ball with the palm of your hand and place them on the surface of the rolled dough. Cut slightly the flat dough edges, giving a ribbon shape. Use fingertips to press down on the edges of the dough, working around the perimeter of the bun. Place the shaped bun on a greased baking sheet and repeat the process with the remaining dough, spacing the buns evenly apart. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are properly cooked through. Remove the buns from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving.
Thank you for watching my channel. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another authentic and delicious recipe. Bye for now.